Hi guys, I recently attended an international fully funded conference and I posted it on my TikTok account, and I got a couple of DMs from people who follow me on TikTok asking me to share how I get such international opportunities at no cost. Now, the first thing you have to understand is if you're someone like me who works in the non-profit sector, or maybe you are in research or community work, whatever, and you are interested in these things, it's important to note that they are not just for tourism. It's important for you to attend international conferences because there you get to learn firsthand from experts from your field. Secondly, you get to interact and network with people who do similar work like you but in different contexts. And most importantly, you get to build your network and sometimes even get funding and other opportunities that can help to push the work and create more impact in the area or the sector that you're working in. So how do you access international fully funded opportunities? The first thing is always the websites of the opportunity that you're looking for. For someone like me in the non-profit sector, I do know annual opportunities that I know will come every year. I would always check websites of like One Young World Summit, CSW, which is the Conference on the Status of Women. It's a UN conference that holds every year in New York. You have other ones like the World Youth Forum. It takes place in Egypt, I think, every year. So there are a couple of these things. So always check the website of what you're looking for. The official website will always have the information. And if they do not have the information at that time, they will give you an idea of when to check. And that's it. The second thing is to look at websites and social media pages that curate opportunities. You have websites that I sleep on, like Opportunity Desk, Opportunities for Africans, Idealist.org, Relief Web, I think, Scholarship Regions, etc., etc. These platforms will give you daily opportunities, and if you are subscribed to their newsletter, you get emails of daily and weekly opportunities just there at your email, and you can check it when you want. Now, the next thing is if you found an opportunity that you want and you want to apply. So let's say you go to this website and you find something that you're interested in and you want to apply. Remember, this is fully funded, so it's going to be very competitive. What do? First things first, you need to make sure that your application is telling a story. Tell a story that is compelling. Tell a story that aligns with what this conference is about. Tell a story that shows why you are the best person that should be selected. I'm not saying that go and tell them a sub story or your entire life. What I'm saying is that make them see why you are the best person to be there by telling a story from where you're coming from, where you are at now, and why this particular conference is going to make a whole lot of difference, not just for you as a community leader, a youth leader, a women's leader, but also for the communities that you serve. After telling a powerful story, make sure that you show measurable and commendable impact. Measurable impact doesn't mean that for you to be internationally recognized for anything, you must have impacted millions. Of course, it's amazing. But even if you have impacted 10 people, it depends on how you tell this story. Changing the lives of 10 people is an amazing work and it's no small feat. So you should be able to show impact, both qualitative and quantitative, so that the people reading your application will see the impact that you have made and give them space to understand how this conference is going to empower you so much that upon your return, you can be able to make more impact. Align your work in your application. Align your work with the theme of the conference. Do not talk about every other thing that you have done because that will be irrelevant. Just choose aspects of your work that resonates with what this conference is about. That way the people are going to see that this is somebody whose trajectory falls or aligns with what we are interested in. Get strong recommendation. This is where building network and having good relationship with people comes in place. When you are applying for international opportunities, always get strong and good recommendations for people who understand and know your work. That way they can speak to the organizers to understand that you are the ideal person for that opportunity. Finally, in every application I say it, get someone to help you review so that those tiny grammatical mistakes and errors that can make reading and understanding your application and your position difficult will be eradicated. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video up until this point. I hope that you did learn a thing or two about where to look for international fully funded conferences and how to apply for international fully funded conferences. Let me know in the comment section if there are other topics that you want me to talk about. Until we meet again, guys, please do not forget to create some impact. Thank you and see you in my next video.